Good morning, students. Last previous classes we are discussing about what is the base, what is the exponent. In this class we are discussing just laws of exponents. Here given some laws. So just I said directly, and on the class we are see some problems. A power m cross out a power n. Here see bases are equal. Here a power m, that is a one base, a power n. This is a one exponential form. This is one exponential form. Here see bases are equal, powers are added. Bases are equal, powers added. Here see a power m cross out a power n equal to a power m plus n. Like a one problem, 2 power 5 cross out 2 power 3. One time we are seeing 2 power 5. How to write? 2 5 times we are multiplying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5. 2 5 times we are multiplying. Cross out. 2 power 3. How to write? 2 3 times multiply. 1, 2, 3. 2 power 3. 2 3 times multiply. Here 2 how many times we are multiplying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 power 8. That is 2 power 5 cross out to 2 power 3 value. One time we are using this formula. 2 power 5 cross out 2 power 3. Bases are equal. Bases are equal. Powers should be added. Powers should be added. Here 2 power 5 cross out 2 power 3. So bases are equal. Cross out symbol. So 2 power 5 plus 3, 2 power 8. So now both are equal answer. So we are using, this is a one law. A power m cross out a power n equal to a power m plus n. As it is here see. A power m by a power n. This is a power m cross out a power minus n. Now here 1 by a power n equal to, here a power n which place? Denominator place. This denominator place we are converting numerator place. Power has minus symbol, like opposite symbol. Here power has plus symbol. Come to the minus symbol. A power minus n. Here see here a power m cross out 1 by a power n. 1 by a power n value a power minus n. So bases are equal. Here powers plus symbol given, add, minus symbol given, subtract. A power m minus n. As it is. Bases are equal. Bases are equal. Powers should be subtracted. Here see a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Next, here one example problem. Normally we are checking using loss we are check. Here see 3 power 5 by 3 power 3. Normally 3 power 5 how to write? 3 5 times we are multiplying. Why 5 times? Power 5. 3 cube 3 power 3. 3 times multiply. Why? Here power is 3. So cancel, cancel, cancel. Remaining 3 square. Now we are using this formula. 3 power 5 by 3 power 3. So 3 power 5 cross out 3 power 3. Bases are equal. Powers plus symbol given add, minus symbol given subtract. 3 power 5 minus 3. 3 square. Right. Next one. Next one. Here see a power 1 by a power n equal to a power minus n. Here see 1 by 3 square. This one how to write? 3 power minus 2. Or see 3 power 8 power minus 4. How to write? As it is, we are here given this one, we are converting 1 by 8 power 4. That is one law. Just using the formulas. Next one, a power m whole power n. Here see, this is power. Here see, a power m whole power n. Here a power m into n. A power m. One time we are check. Here 3 square whole power 3. Here see 3 square. How many times we are multiplying? 3 times. Now 3 square. 1. 3 square. 1. 3 square. Here see bases are equal. Powers are added or that like you do. Or 3 square how to write? 3 into 3. 3 square how to write? 3 into 3. 3 square how to write? 3 into 3. So now 3 how many times we are multiplying? 6 times 3 power 6. This is normally we do, or we are using this formula 3 square whole power 3. So base here powers are multiplied. 3 2 cross out 3. 3 power 6. So 3 square whole power 3 value 3 power 6. We are expanding method, we write 3 power 6. Both are equal answer. So this is, we are using this last, we are short, directly we are writing. Next one. Next, now bases are equal, we are writing. Now bases are equal, powers are added. Now powers are equal. A power m cross out B power m. This one here see, bases are equal, different, powers are equal. In this case, how to we write? A cross out B, bases are both are equal, A power m. So A cross out B, AB whole power m. One time we are using this formula, we are check. One time we are using this formula, we are check. Here see, A power m. Now 3 square cross out 4 square. Here 3 square cross out 4 square. How to write? 3 cross out 3. Cross out 4 cross out 4. 3 3 jar 3 3 jar 9 cross out 4 4 jar 16 16 9 jar 144. That is normally. Here see, both are 2 times we are multiply. So 3 cross out 4, both are equal, whole power right. 3 4s are 12, whole square right. See, 3 3s are 9, cross out 4 4s are 16. 16 9s are 144. 144 how to write? Exponential form, 12 into 12, like a 12 square. Now see, expanding form we write to 12 square. Here see, we are using this one. So 3 square cross out 4 square. So bases are different, powers are equal. So now bases are we are multiply. 3 cross out 4 whole square 12. Here see, 3 square cross out 3 square cross out 4 square. Now base powers are equal, bases are multiplied 12 square. Both are equal answer. Next one, next you using we are that is a formula. Next one, A power 0 value always 1. A power 0 1. How A power 0 1? Here see, 3 square cross out 3 square. So how to write this one? 3 square cross out 3 power minus 2. So for you expanding method we write 3 square cross out 3 square 3 2 times we multiply. 3 square 3 2 times we multiply. So how much here? 2 0 2 3s 2 3s cancel 1. Here see. Now we are using this formula. 3 square by 3 square. Here 3 square, this one moving to numerator place, power has a plus symbol, come to minus symbol. 3 minus 2. So 3 power 2 minus 2. 3 power 0 like a 1. 3 power 0 like a 1. Here both are equal answer. So totally 5 laws we are discussing. See, directly I write now laws, you are copy that one. Here see, A cross out m, A power m cross out A power n. Bases are equal, powers add. That is one law. a power m by b a power n. Here see, here cross out symbol, powers are add. Here division symbol, powers are minus. A power m minus n. Next, a power m cross out b power m. Here bases are equal. Bases are different, powers are equal. What we do? ab whole power m. Next, a power 0 value 1. Next, 1 by a power m equal to a power minus m. Next, a by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. So write that formulas last. Now exercise 2, first problem. Simplify the following. Simplify the following using law of exponents. Here see, simplify the following using law of exponents. Here first problem, 2 power 8 cross out 2 power 2. 2 power 10 cross out 2 power 4. First problem. Here see, bases are equal, powers are different. Here which laws we are using? Now answer. 2 power 10 cross out 2 power 4. Here in law of exponent. A power m cross out a power n equal to a power m plus n. This is law. We are in law of exponent. See, bases are equal, powers are different. What we do? So powers are add. 2 power 10 cross out 2 power 4 equal to 2 power 10 plus 4, 2 power 14. Next one, here see, 3 square cross out 3 square whole power 4. Here 2 laws. Here see amma, 3 square cross out 3 square whole power 4. So this is a one law of exponent. Law of exponent. A power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. Now see, 3 square cross out 3 square whole power 4 equal to 3 square cross out 3 power 2 into 4. 3 square cross out 3 power 8. Now again, bases are equal, powers are different. Law of exponent. See, a power m cross out a power n equal to a power m plus n. Now 3 3 square cross out 3 power 8 equal to 3 square 3 2 plus 8 3 power 10. So that like we are using that formulas. There 20 problems here given. So you are do as it is here. See next one, third one, fourth one you write, fifth one I said. Fifth one, 3 power 5 whole power 3 by 5 whole power 4 cross out 3 by 5 whole power 3 cross out 3 by 5 whole power 8. Here see bases are equal, powers are different. Which law we are using? Law of exponent. A power m cross out a power n, a power m plus n. Here see this like any bases are given, powers are just added. Here see, here are only 2 exponential forms here given, here 3 exponential forms given. So how do you do, how do we do, you are asking. Here see exponential form are given so many. You first you are check bases are equal or not equal. Here that like here see a power m plus cross out a power n, a power k, a power z, a power n. Here see bases all are equal, exponential form are so many given. So just powers are added simply. So as is this like here see 3 power 5 4 cross out 3 power 5 3 cross out 3 power 5 8 cross out. Bases are equal, powers are added. 3 power 5 4 plus 3 plus 8 3 power 5 15, that is 3 power 15, that is. Next here see next 11th one. So there are 20 problems they are given. I said some difficult problems remaining you try at home. If you have any doubt and after your send message 12th one. Here see 2 power 3a plus 3 cross out 2 power 7a plus 3. Here see bases are equal, powers are added. 2 power 3a plus 7 cross out 2 power 7a plus 3. So law of exponent. Law of exponent. Here see a power m cross out a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here 2 power 3a plus 7 cross out 2 power 7a plus 3. So bases are equal, powers are added. 2 power 3a plus 7 plus 7a plus 3. Now 2 power 3a plus 7a 10a plus 7 plus 3 10. Here both are common we are take. Here see 2 power 10 a plus 1, or this like you do or this like you do as your wish. See 2 power 10a plus 10. This like answers so many we write amma. So next one Last one, here 20 problem. Here a power x y z. Here a power x cross out a power y cross out a power z. Here we know this one a power x cross out a power y cross out a power z. Which one? This one only. Law of exponent. Here all problems is just one or two laws given number. Exponent. A power m cross out a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here a power x cross out a power y cross out a power z equal to a power x plus y plus z. That is right. Next one, they are asking second one. So I said 8 or 7 problems, remaining 13 problems homework. Second problem and the last problem, remaining 4 problems we are discussing. See, second one. Here by what number should be 3 power 4 be multiplied so that product is 3 power 8. Here second one. See, by what number should be 3 power 4 multiplied so that the product is 729. Here given answer. Given product. How much given product? 729. See, let one multiple 3 power 4, let another multiple x. Here see, two numbers we are multiplying 729 we got. So that is which two multiples? One multiples is 3 power 4. Another one we don't know. So x cross out 3 power 4 equal to 729. Now this one here law of exponent. 1 by a power n equal to 1 power minus n. Here see 1 power a power minus n. So 3 power minus 4. How to write 1 by 3 power 4? So x cross out 1 by 3 power 4 cross out 7 into 729. So how many numbers we are multiply 729? So which number power square? 27 7 jar 27 7 jar. How much? 27 7 jars 729. So 27 square is 729. So 27 square. Now x equal to 27. How to write it? 3 cross out 3 cross out 3. 27 how to write? 3 cross out 3 cross out 3. Next one. Here see. Now this is moving this side cross out 3 power 4. X equal to how many times we are multiplying? 3 power 6 cross out 3 power 4. So law of exponent a power m plus cross out a power n equal to a power m plus n. Now x equal to 3 power x, 3 power 4, 3 power 6 plus 4, 3 power 10. X equal to 3 power 10. So one number is one multiple 3 power 10, one multiple 3 power minus 4. Both are multiplied 729. So 3 power minus 4 cross out 3 power 10. So 3 power 10 minus 4, 3 power 6. 3 power 6 value 729. Like a 3 power 6 how to write? 3 cross out 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 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243, 243 3s are 729. So another number 3 power 10. Another multiple